Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this short tutorials we will show you how to fix Steam no internet error. So let's get started. For the first method, make sure Steam isn't offline. Is in the top left corner, click on Steam. Make sure it says go offline, which means Steam currently online. If I click go offline, it will actually go offline. So make sure it says go offline, confirming you are online. See if that works. For the second method, restart Steam. Click on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar to find Steam. Right click on it and select exit Steam. Now open Steam again and see if it fixes your issue. For the next method, if you're using any VPN or proxy, make sure to turn it off or disable it. For the last and final method, go to the search bar and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and select run as administrator and click yes. When the pop-up appears, once CMD opens, type ipconfig//dns and press enter on your keyboard. Next, type nets winsock reset and press enter again. Now simply restart your computer. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I stay tuned for more videos.